We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making a grilled chicken Cobb salad, and here are our ingredients. Here I'm showing y'all my lettuce. I'm using some romaine lettuce for this. What I'm doing now, I'm cutting the ends off of them, but I am going to use those for my salad greens. Here I'm placing my romaine lettuce around my bowl. You know, I just want to decorate my bowl before I place my vegetables and meat. This is optional. You can just place your greens, your chopped lettuce all around the bowl instead of doing what I'm doing. I do have some chopped lettuce. You just spread them around there. Y'all, I'm going to do I'm not going to do a lot of talking in this video. I'm just showing y'all, I'm going to show y'all just how to put together this Cobb salad. Here I'm chopping up my onions. What I did, I chopped my onion in half and then I'm slicing it. Here I'm showing y'all some tomatoes that I purchased at Sam's Club. And I'm slicing those in half. I'm not going to slice all my tomatoes in half. Some I'm going to leave whole because some people like theirs whole. And so I'm not going to slice all of them. Now we're putting our salad together. Here I'm showing y'all some grilled chicken fajita meat. You can purchase this at most of your supermarkets. I know you can purchase it at Walmart. And I'm placing this uniform, but you do not have to place this uniform. I'm gonna show y'all that you can place it uniform with the strips, or you can cut the strips in pieces. I'm showing you where you do not have to do it the uniform way. You can just chop up the pieces. Plus the pieces would go further. You don't even have to use the grilled chicken. You can also use like the fried chicken breast, or just some oven baked chicken, or some rotisserie chicken. Make this Cobb salad yours. You can put mushrooms on there. It's up to you what you want to put on your salad. Now I'm placing my onions. Now I'm placing my boiled eggs. As y'all can see, my salad is coming together. Now I'm placing my avocados on my salad. Make sure you pick the firm avocados for your salad. I waited a few days before I used mine, and mine became soft, but I did make them work. If your avocados feel mushy, do not pick those. Pick the ones that are firm. Now I'm placing my whole tomatoes. Now, y'all, we are done. And I'm going to be back plating up some of my salad. Y'all, I am back. I'm just showing y'all how your guests or your family can just pick and choose what they want from your salad. And y'all know that I did have some extra lettuce sitting to the side for my salad. Oh yeah, another thing you could do is add some cube cheese. Buy you some, you can use a pepper jack, you can use a cheddar. You know they have the cube cheese that you can buy, and you can put that on your salad as well. I hope y'all enjoyed this salad. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get my new and upcoming videos. And also to my new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. Okay, y'all, be safe and be blessed. As always, I'm gonna say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
That's a hit.